Hi everyone, this is Wayne. I wanted to tell you and show you this the results of this licking stick I put out. I made a video about it the other day. The very next morning, had 4 does up to it, and they come sniffed around it. They looked all around, checking it out. The day after, and I wasn't careful. I didn't scent myself, I didn't cover scent, nothing. And this thing didn't bother them. They checked it out though. And also a couple of young bucks milled around it the next morning. And I know the big boys will follow. So anyway, enjoy and go ahead and get you one. Okay? Bye now.